Hello YouTube and welcome to a vlog. We're going to the Anaheim Packing House to check it out. Looks kind of cool. Let's go. Oh wow. This is pretty cool. Wow. Really cool design in here. Wow. Strawberry, mango. Ooh, this one has like smoked stuff.
Yeah, they do like stuff.
You can smell the smoke. Okay. Oh. Marshmallows? What is that? I saw marshmallows, so I was wondering what those were. Yes.
Not here.
This is really cool. Wow. That's interesting. Coconuts? There's lots of coconuts here. I don't know what that says. That lighting's kind of... Emeralds? I don't have anything. Those are hen rolls.
Yeah.
So they have sushi. They have a little bar over here. This is super cool. It's like LA's little shack there.
Ramen noodle place. And there's a downstairs.
Let's go check out the down. Did we check everything up here?
Huh?
Did we check out everything up here?
Yeah, you're just going so fast.
I'm not
trying
go-
to. Slower.
It is a really cool place. And then we have something over there. That's nice.
This is grilled cheese. They do different types of grilled cheese sandwiches. This is a bar.
Alright, let's check down here. Japanese snacks here. All kinds of different snacks here. They're like car wave, big thing. And then donuts? Let's see what kind of donuts they have. Ooh. These are donuts I haven't seen before. Cookie, velvet.
They're different kinds. See this one has a fruity rose,
Fruit Loop,
marshmallow.
Wow, look how big these things are.
Look at the size of these.
Those things are huge. What is this over here? Is this pizza? Oh, you have the little pizzas. Look how big these donuts are. That's wild.
We got a juicy smash burger.
Some piece of pizza. You want a piece of pizza? You can
There's all
buy
kinds of stuff.
Look how big these
Oh, nothing like over by us. We have the giant tiger tails. Oh, look at they got the base.
Let's look at everything and we'll combine. Okay, we'll come back. Lime, watermelon. What is this? Is this just like a drink stand?
They have a fish in. I think they have fish.
We're going to dig for grape.
Super cool. All right. Let us
You might want to take it off.
Let's check it out. Looks pretty nice. Nice and juicy.
And I got the garlic fries.
How is it?
And we got a smash burger. How about the garlic
Delicious.
fries?
Really juicy. I can touch the onion.
I can't grab mine. How do you even grab it? Oh. Here's mine, what mine looks like here.
Salt. You want any salt? Salt.
I'm gonna say right now, these ones are not as good as the ones in that LA one. These are good, but it doesn't have that same impact with spices. Because the thing is,
The other one has
I've been waiting for the LA stuff to calm down because I want to go back down there to get that smash burger so you can taste it.
Yeah.
That was probably my best, like the best burger I ever had. Was that smash burger in that little area.
I do like the burgers at that place we go to in Pomona.
Plus, I like to film it again because the last time we went down there, I only filmed on my phone and I didn't film it on here.
So how's your Philly cheese?
Awesome.
It's well.
Very good, very juicy.
Pretty good.
With the mozzarella and onions. My only meal of the day.
doesn't have as much impact as the one but it's okay.
Okay.
It's alright. It's not bad. It's missing a lot of spices that get that impact.
Salt and pepper.
The sauce is good. The sauce is
I've been
different.
watching this bearded guy. He goes and eats stuff like the other one. Crap, he wouldn't sit down. And then he'll eat dessert afterwards.
We got here at like 9.
Yes. Get here. This is wagyu too. Oh, look at they have the check.
Whatever, Noah. For Noah.
10 pounds. Ready to pay out. Finish in under an hour.
They have challenges you can do so you don't have to pay for it.
No. If you eat it, you don't pay for it. If you don't eat it, you have to pay for it. So if it's $50, you got to pay $50.
So what is the 10 pound protein?
I won't even be able to do that
You need to
challenge.
be on their wall of fame. You get a t-shirt. Nobody's completed it.
I think no one's tried it yet. I mean, it looks pretty small. It doesn't look like it would be challenging for anyone to do it.
It looks like egg fried.
Yeah, it is egg and fries and mustard. Cheese.
Oh, it's called protein. Loaded fries.
Nonetheless, this is a pretty good burger. It's not the best I had, but it's okay. It's not high. What do you think about it? Any thoughts?
Totally stuffed. That was one of the best Philly cheese sandwiches I ever had. I have to say. The meat wasn't dry at all. It's just absolutely delicious. It's moist.
It is moist.
Got grilled onions in it.
They have country fried chicken. Fried.
The only thing that is missing from the burger is spices. It doesn't really have enough impact. It is nice and moist. It has some good sauce.
How much was that?
For all of it with the soda, $60.
This was like a $60 meal.
3 people and 1 beer.
Pretty good.
2 fried.
Wasn't all that bad. I give that food like maybe 5 out of 10. The fries are pretty good too.
Nico's rating. Yeah, I got the garlic fries. Garlic fries are good.
Again, it was a pretty good meal. The sauce was pretty good. Had a nice, good blast of flavor. It was missing a lot of spices though. Not very much spices that get that smash burger enough power.
It's a whack.
The best fries I had were when we went to Long Beach. We went to Long Beach to Sissy's restaurant, and we went to. That was probably the best fries I had at when she worked there.
That wasn't in Long Beach. That was in Laguna Beach.
Laguna Beach, yeah. Mozambique had the best fries I had. It was nice and it was nice and fluffy. The salt was good, and it was absolutely delicious whenever they did the fries.
Consider my fries, babe.
Other than that, let's keep on going.